How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your WhatsApp application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, simply head back to your home screen and then open up WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Now once you open WhatsApp, you have to make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now once you are signed in, simply tap on settings icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are here, scroll below and then tap on help. From here, simply tap on help center. Now in the search bar, search for Meta AI and then select how to start a chat with AI from Meta. Now once you are here, simply follow the on-screen prompt. If it still does not help you, simply tap on no and then tap on contact support. Now in this description box, simply go ahead and explain the issue that you are facing in WhatsApp. And once done, simply tap on next at the top right corner. And once you do so, WhatsApp support will get back to you soon. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.